Listen up. If you've ever found yourself staring at the clock, stomach rumbling, and thinking there's just no way you can fit a healthy meal into your jam-packed day, this chapter is for you. You say you're too busy to eat well? Nonsense. The truth is, eating well doesn't have to mean hours in the kitchen or complicated recipes. It's about making smart choices, and I'm here to prove it's possible, no matter how hectic your schedule. Think about it. You probably spend more time scrolling your phone, checking emails, or watching short videos than it actually takes to whip up a nourishing meal. If you can spare 10 minutes for social media, you can spare 10 minutes for your health. I'm about to show you 10 vibrant, delicious meals, each one bursting with color, flavor, and nutrition. And the best part? Every single one can be made in under 10 minutes, start to finish. You don't need a culinary degree or fancy gadgets. All you need is a willingness to try, a few fresh ingredients, and a little bit of prep. I'll walk you through each step, making it simple and stress-free. Forget bland diet foods. These meals are bold, energizing, and deeply satisfying. They're designed to fuel your body, delight your taste buds, and keep you coming back for more. 10 recipes, 10 minutes each, no excuses. Whether you're cooking for one, meal prepping for the week, or feeding a hungry family, these dishes fit right into your life. Ready? Aprons on. Let's get cooking together. You'll be amazed at what you can create in just a few minutes. Short on time? These SlimSync meals are your new secret weapon for eating well, staying energized, and conquering your day, no matter what's on your schedule. First up, Sriracha-Lime Tofu Edamame Wraps. These wraps are a perfect blend of spicy, tangy, and fresh flavors, making them an ideal choice for a quick and nutritious meal. Whether you're a tofu enthusiast or just looking to try something new, this recipe is sure to impress. Press firm tofu, no soggy mess allowed. This step is crucial to ensure that the tofu absorbs all the delicious flavors of the marinade. Use a weighted plate or a tofu press to get rid of excess moisture. Pat it dry with paper towels for best results. Dice it small for quick cooking. Cutting the tofu into small, even cubes ensures that it cooks evenly and quickly, giving you perfectly crispy edges and a tender interior. Whisk together fresh lime juice, sriracha, honey or agave, and soy sauce. Taste and adjust. This sauce is the heart of the dish, providing a perfect balance of heat, sweetness, and umami. Feel free to tweak the ingredients to suit your taste preferences. Toss tofu in the sauce. Let it marinate while you prep the rest. Marinating allows the tofu to soak up all the flavors, making each bite a burst of deliciousness. Grab edamame, shredded red cabbage, and grated carrots, a rainbow of crunch. These vibrant veggies not only add a beautiful color to your wrap, but also provide a satisfying crunch and a boost of nutrients. Sear tofu in a hot pan for crispy edges. Cooking the tofu in a hot skillet ensures that it gets a nice, crispy exterior while remaining tender on the inside. This step adds a delightful texture to your wrap. Lay out a whole wheat wrap, smear with hummus or Greek yogurt, add spinach. The hummus or Greek yogurt adds a creamy base, while the spinach provides a fresh, leafy layer. Layer on tofu, edamame, cabbage, carrots, and cilantro. Don't overfill, roll it tight. The key to a perfect wrap is to layer the ingredients evenly, and roll it tightly to keep everything in place. Slice on the diagonal. Admire that cross-section. Cutting the wrap diagonally not only makes it easier to eat, but also showcases the beautiful, colorful layers inside. 5 minutes, packed with protein, spice, and crunch. Grab and go perfection. These wraps are perfect for a quick lunch or a light dinner, and they're easy to take on the go. That's how you do a wrap. No excuses. With this simple and delicious recipe, you'll never have to settle for a boring meal again. Enjoy. Next up, we're making zesty cauliflower couscous with herb chicken cups, a light, vibrant meal that's perfect for lunch or a quick dinner. This recipe is all about fresh flavors, easy prep, and a satisfying crunch in every bite. Let's get started. Begin by breaking a head of cauliflower into florets and pulsing them in a food processor. You want to achieve a fine, couscous-like texture, light and fluffy, not mushy. This is a fantastic low-carb alternative to traditional couscous, and it soaks up flavors beautifully. For protein, use pre-cooked chicken breast. Shred it with your hands or 2 forks for a tender, rustic texture that mixes well with the cauliflower. Using pre-cooked chicken makes this recipe super quick, perfect for meal prep. or using up leftovers. Now let's make a zesty herb dressing. In a bowl, whisk together fresh lemon juice, a generous drizzle of olive oil, and a big handful of chopped parsley, mint, and dill. The combination of these herbs brings a burst of freshness and a Mediterranean flair to the dish. Add the cauliflower couscous and shredded chicken to a large mixing bowl. Pour over the herb dressing and toss everything together until well coated. The dressing will infuse the cauliflower and chicken with bright, tangy flavors. For extra texture and a pop of color, sprinkle in toasted pine nuts and juicy pomegranate seeds. The pine nuts add a lovely crunch while the pomegranate seeds give a sweet tart burst that makes every bite exciting. To serve, use crisp lettuce leaves. Romaine or butter lettuce work best. Their sturdy shape holds the filling perfectly and adds a refreshing crunch. Spoon generous portions of the cauliflower and chicken mixture into each lettuce cup. Arrange them neatly on a plate for a beautiful, inviting presentation. In just 8 minutes, you have a fresh, filling, and colorful meal that's perfect for a healthy desk lunch or a light dinner. Enjoy the zesty flavors and satisfying crunch. These cups are as delicious as they are nutritious. Spicy citrus chicken, zoodle bowl, light, fresh, and fiery. Spiralize 2 zucchinis for zoodles. Marinate thin sliced chicken in orange and lime juice, zest, chopped chili, garlic, and rice vinegar. Sear chicken in a hot skillet, 1 minute per side. Toss zoodles with sliced bell peppers and shredded carrots. Pour leftover marinade over veggies, toss. Top with sliced chicken, sesame seeds, and cilantro. 10 minutes max. Clean, bright, and delicious. Smoked paprika shrimp with avocado and mango, sunshine in a bowl. Pat shrimp dry, toss with smoked paprika, cayenne, garlic powder, salt, pepper, and olive oil. Sear shrimp on high heat, 45 seconds per side. Build a salad, mixed greens, diced mango, avocado, red onion, cherry tomatoes. Dress with lime juice, olive oil, and cilantro. Top with shrimp. Done. Less than 10 minutes to a vibrant, fat-burning meal. Thai peanut sweet potato and kale noodle salad, indulgent but slimming. Spiralize sweet potato, sauté briefly in coconut oil, massage kale with olive oil and salt, chop and add to sweet potato. Whisk peanut butter, soy sauce, rice vinegar, lime juice, honey, sriracha, and hot water for dressing. Toss noodles and kale with dressing, add shredded carrots, bell pepper, and edamame. Top with chopped peanuts and cilantro. 10 minutes, creamy, crunchy, and filling. Mediterranean chickpea and feta rice paper rolls. Fresh, fast, no cooking. Mash half a can of chickpeas, mix with cucumber, cherry tomatoes, red onion, olives, and crumbled feta. Add lemon juice, olive oil, parsley, oregano, salt, and pepper. Soften rice paper in warm water. Lay flat. Add spinach, then chickpea filling. Roll tightly. Repeat. 5 minutes. Portable, protein-packed, and stunning. Curry-spiced eggplant and quinoa skillet. Hearty, healthy, and fast. Dice eggplant. Brown in a little coconut oil. Add curry powder, turmeric, cumin, chili flakes. Toast until fragrant. Splash in water or broth. Simmer until eggplant is tender. Stir in pre-cooked quinoa. Let it soak up the flavors. Add spinach, wilt, finish with lime juice. Serve hot with a dollop of Greek yogurt. 1 pan, 10 minutes, full of flavor. Quick lentil and roasted pepper. Lettuce boats, no cook, no fuss. Rinse canned lentils, chop roasted red peppers. Mix with celery, walnuts, capers, and lots of parsley. Shake up Dijon, red wine vinegar, and olive oil for dressing. Toss with lentil mixture. Spoon into romaine leaves. Colorful, filling, and ready in minutes. Spicy tuna and cucumber nori cups. Sushi vibes. Zero hassle. Drain and flake canned tuna, mix with mayo and sriracha. Fold in finely diced cucumber. Cut nori sheets into squares, toast briefly for crispness. Spoon tuna mix onto nori, garnish with sesame seeds and avocado. 5 minutes, low carb, high flavor. Berry protein yogurt. Parfait jar. 2-minute breakfast or snack. Mix Greek yogurt with protein powder and a splash of milk. Layer yogurt, berries, and granola, or nuts in a jar. Repeat layers, finish with berries and nuts. Portable, protein-packed, and keeps you full for hours. 10 meals, 10 minutes each, no more excuses. Use these recipes as your blueprint, but make them your own. Swap ingredients, get creative, and fuel your body right. The power to change is in your hands. Start with one meal, one smart choice. I've given you the tools. Now build a healthier you. Get in the kitchen and get cooking. For more no-nonsense recipes, you know what to do.